So Ray, tell us about MMA Cycles annual forecast book. How big is it, and when is it written, and what information do you cover, and how many years has it been in print?
Well, the book first started in 1976. It was a 50-page book that outlined the geocosmic correlations to political and economic cycles. It's grown steadily since then as I've got more involved in the market, starting in 1978, with the stock market first in gold and silver, and eventually other markets too. Today the book is about 175 pages. It still covers the political and economic outlook for the year, for the world and the nation. It covers the collective psychological dynamics in effect from an astrological point of view. And it gives my cyclical and geocosmic analysis of the stock market, precious metals, interest rates, treasuries, currencies, crude oil, gold and silver, and grain markets and weather.
And who reads the book? Is it just for traders and investors?
No, a lot of people read the book who aren't just investors and traders. I think the majority of people are traders and investors, but a lot of professional astrologers read it. A lot of students of astrology read it. People who are interested in what's going on with the economy or the political situation read it too. It's written in 7 different languages now, including English, Japanese, Dutch, Spanish, German, Italian, Russian. So I think majority of people who read it are probably interested in financial markets, or at least in world current events.
And what was the most outstanding forecast made in last year's book, in your opinion?
Well, you could say the top of the Treasury market, which it forecast within just a couple of ticks of the actual top. Or you could say maybe the gold market, where it indicated that gold could go as high as 2,000 and then drop 150 to 480 points, which in fact it did in the month of September alone. It said it would do it within 3 months of August. But I think the most outstanding forecast was the stock market. The forecast book stated that the Dow Jones would top out between May and June of 2011, between 11,500 and 13,000. And as we look back, we see the top was 12,876 on May 2nd, and since then it has fallen 19%. That was the most outstanding forecast.
Excellent. And what is the most outstanding issue coming up in 2012 from an financial astrology point of view? Is it going to be an important year?
Well, yes, it's going to be an extremely important year because this is the first year of the Uranus square Pluto. It's a quarter cycle of the 126-year planetary cycle, began in 1965-66. So it's going to have a lot of themes that were present in 1965-66, which are very revolutionary and cultural transformative for many cultures of the world. But it's also like 1931, because 1931 was the last time that Uranus squared Pluto. So if you combine the themes that were present in 1931 to 1965 and 66, you get an idea of what 2012 to 2015 is like, but 2012 is the important gateway to this whole 3-year period. The election is going to be extremely important. So if you like drama, if you like excitement, you're not going to be lacking for a lot of interesting scenarios that are going to take place in 2012. For investors and traders, you can anticipate there'll be very large market swings and many, many trading opportunities to make great profits or get yourself to a lot of danger. But whatever the case, 2012 is probably one of the most important years of our lifetime coming up. So I think, yes, readers are going to find this a very exciting book and a very exciting year.
Thank you, Ray, for an exciting overview of Forecast 2012. I'm sure many people are looking forward to the release of the book.
And thank you, Diane. It's a pleasure to have this interview.
To order the book, please visit MMA Cycles website at www.mmacycles.com. The book will be available in iPad, iPhone, and Amazon.com Kindle format in mid-December. Or you can download a digital format directly from MMA Cycles website in early December. Thank you for watching.